Welcome to Nuclearn Project Genius.
If you manage large projects, you know how challenging it can be to identify the key tasks and activities that will put your project at risk of coming in late or over budget.
The Nuclearn Project Genius helps you analyze large-scale, high-impact projects to understand which activities are going to drive your project's critical path and what activities are going to have the most impact to you.
A lot of that boils down to understanding the key activities and tasks that are putting your projects at risk. Nuclearn can help you do that better. Our solution uses artificial intelligence capabilities trained on your historical project execution, combined with Monte Carlo simulations to help you determine which key tasks and activities you need to focus on.
In Nuclearn Project Genius, you're going to find several features. The first and foremost is easy integration with major project management tools like Primavera P6 or Microsoft Project. Second, you're going to find complete analytics over your project's duration and all activities that might impact the project scope.
Once your project data is integrated, you can run thousands of simulations, varying activity durations, and seeing how your project plays out. From there, you can see when your project might end and which activities are driving those project end dates. If you see that the project end date or budget is not to your liking, you can drill down further to find those specific key activities that are driving increased costs and late project end dates. From there, you can see when your project might end and which activities are driving those project end dates.
Nuclearn will analyze the impact of any one activity on a given project, including if that activity goes long, the impact to your project's critical path, as well as letting you know the expected start and stop times of that activity.
Unique to our solution, we have artificial intelligence predict an entire distribution of durations for every single activity. This means that you can do Monte Carlo simulation without having to manually define various distributions or other parameters that are challenging for most project managers. Many times when you run this type of analysis, you'll find that activities that aren't actually on the traditional critical path are the ones that are the biggest risk to your project. If you want to get your projects back on track, figure out what you need to focus on, contact us today.